Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Aaron Painting. Today I'm painting up the old crone from the Dunkeldorf series by King Games. And I'm going to use mainly contrast paint to get where I'm going, so therefore I've also undercoated with Wraithbone spray, as per usual I could say. And also, pretty much as per usual, we're gonna start with some, not Reichland, but Guilliman flesh for her skin. Next up, some orc flesh, and this is for his shirt. Now, some Cygor brown, and this is for her dress. And I've decided to use the same color on her shoes. Next up, some Black Templar, and this is for the hood and half the stripes on her skirt. Next up, some Dark Angel's green, and this is for the other half of the stripes on the skirt, as well as the two bottles hanging from her belt. Now, some Basilicanum grey, and this is for her hair. Now, some wildwood, and this is just for her staff. Next up, some Flesh Terrace red, and this is for the various patches spread around on her dress. Now, some Skeleton Horde, and this is for the skull on top of the staff, but also for the bandages on her arm. Next up, some Snakebite leather, and this is for all her belt pouches and the rope that she uses for belts, and also the rope on top of the staff. And as a final contrast paint, some Pterodon turquoise, and this is for the feathers hanging from the top of the staff. Next up, I'll dot in the eyes with a little bit of model color black. Then, a little bit of grayscere to dot on either side of the eye, giving the illusion of an Irish. Oh, not illusion, you know what I mean. Now it's just a matter of finishing the base, and for that I'll start with some Mechanical Standard Grey. Next up, we'll give the cobblestones a wash of Nuln Oil. Now that the Nuln Oil has finally dried, I'm gonna take some Tamanatsu stone and dry brush the cobblestones. And finally, I'm gonna paint the base rim with model color black. And there we have her. All done in no time at all. Actually, what took the longest was waiting for the Nuln oil on the base to dry. I'm really happy with her. I think she came out great. Again, especially considering how quick it was. I'm really digging contrast paints. As you might have noticed if you're a returning viewer. Anyhow, remember to leave a like, maybe a comment on this video. And yeah, till next time, take care and bye bye.